Okay, how you doing, guys? Today I actually went into my local Walmart and I was looking at lawnmowers. I was actually looking at this model I'm standing in front of right here. I've been scoping it out for a little while, and I was decided. I say, hey, let me go ahead and buy it because I'm actually looking for a new lawnmower anyway, to purchase a new lawnmower because my previous one broke. And as you can see here, this is a Snapper 21-inch blade, rear-wheel drive, 175cc Briggs and Stratus engine, professional series. This is their second to the top tier model here. They had it priced at 347, but it was ringing up at 266 when I did the price check. Yeah, so I was like, why not? Hey, it's actually gonna save me some money. And as you can see, the one next to it is 296. So I was actually went over here, started looking on the shelf. This is the lower end model. I think that was going for about 258. They had quite a few of those. This is the mid-level model again. See, as you can see, they got two of those, and the one I actually wanted, this was the last one on the shelf, so I lucked up. I guess they were selling out because that's a great price for that model. And then they had two of these right here. This is the top of the line Snapper. It's the all-wheel drive with the 22-inch mower blade, with the Honda engine actually. I didn't get the price on that one, so I wasn't sure how much it is, but it probably was in the like the 300, like the maybe high 300 range. So as you can see here, the one I want, the box is a little dinged up, but as I was checking and inspecting everything is, came out fine. Was no dents or dings on the lawnmower. So I was like, let me go ahead and scoop it up. But stay tuned for an official review on this lawnmower here and everything. Thank you.